Hey future scholars, thinking of studying in Ireland but worried about the high cost. What if I told you that there are scholarships that could cover 100% of your tuition fees? Yep, you heard that right. Free education in Ireland is closer than you think. Stick around because today I am revealing the top scholarships in Ireland for Indian students, how much they cover, which universities offer them, and how much you can save. Spoiler alert, it's a lot. Plus, I've got a fun fact that will totally surprise you.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Let's kick things off with the types of scholarships you can apply for in Ireland. Government of Ireland International Education Scholarship covers €10,000 for 1 year of study plus full tuition fee waiver. Irish Research Council scholarships, perfect for research students and covers full tuition, plus a living stipend of up to €16,000 per year. University-specific scholarships. Many Irish universities offer their own awards. Some big names include Trinity College Dublin Global Excellence Scholarship, University College Dublin Global Scholarship, National University of Ireland Galway International Student Scholarship. Fun fact, did you know Ireland has one of the highest scholarship success rates for Indian students compared to other European countries? Alright, let's talk numbers. How much can these scholarships actually save you? Average tuition fees in Ireland for Indian students is around €10,000 to €25,000 per year. Living expenses are around €10,000 to €14,000 per year. But with a good scholarship, you can get stipends for your living cost. Imagine studying at Trinity College Dublin while saving enough to go for weekend trips to your bucket list destinations in Europe. Here are some of the top universities in Ireland offering scholarships for Indian students. Trinity College Dublin, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities, offering up to €5,000 of tuition. University College Dublin offers merit-based scholarships covering up to 50% of tuition fees. Dublin City University offers scholarships up to €5,900 for high-achieving students. University of Limerick, great for STEM students with scholarships up to €2,500 off your fees. National University of Ireland Galway, scholarships worth up to €5,000 for outstanding international students. Quiz time. What's the highest scholarship amount you can get under the Government of Ireland International Education Scholarship? Drop your answers in the comments below. Hint, I mentioned it earlier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your study abroad buddies. See you in the next video where we'll dive into the easiest courses to get into in Ireland. Slango foil. Want to study abroad but unsure about statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, courses or visas? Don't waste time. Get free expert guidance from Shiksha Study Abroad. From university selection to visa approvals, we do it all for free. Message us now at this number and get started today. तो करिए अपनी ग्लोबल एजुकेशन की शुरुआत शिक्षा स्टडी अब्रॉड के साथ।